Friends, listen very carefully. Something very important is going to be revealed in your interest. It is all about your hair care, and you need to know about it. Here's a hair-raising fact. Did you know that an average person loses up to 100 strands of hair per day? That's right, 100 strands, but don't worry, there's a solution that's been working wonders for many. Hi everyone! You are welcome to this channel, and do not miss this out if you are very serious about your hair care. Meet Sarah, a satisfied customer who's been using Magic's hair care for the past 6 months. Sarah's hair has transformed since she started using the product. She's noticed a significant reduction in hair fall, and her hair has become healthier and shinier. It's not just about the aesthetic improvement, it's about the confidence and joy she feels every day. In Sarah's words, Magic's hair care has been a game changer for my hair woes. I'd recommend it to everyone struggling with hair fall. So, what makes Magic's hair care so effective? It's the perfect blend of tradition and innovation, boasting an all-in-one formula that caters to men, women, and children of all ages. This Ayurvedic, vegan, and chemical-free concoction not only promotes hair growth and controls hair fall, but also leaves your hair smooth and shiny. Plus, it's incredibly convenient and easy to use. With Magic's hair care, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in healthier, shinier, and stronger hair. Ready to say goodbye to hair fall and hello to luscious locks? It's time for you to experience the magic of Magic's hair care. This chemical-free, vegan Ayurvedic shampoo mix is waiting for you. Available at your favorite online marketplace. Don't let hair fall ruin your day. Take control with Magic's hair care. Check the video description to visit the product detail page and avail the best price offer to buy online on Amazon India. Your hair will thank you. And thank you so much for watching the video. Have healthier, shinier, and stronger hair always. And stay blessed. Thank you.